How to lock Facebook profile. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to lock your Facebook profile. So if you want to keep your photos, posts, and personal details private, just follow along step by step. All right, let's get started. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Now tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then go into Settings. Next, scroll until you see the Audience and Visibility section. Tap on Followers and Public Content. Here, go through each option and change the audience to friends or a more private setting, depending on what makes you comfortable. Once that's done, go back to Privacy settings. Now select Profile and Tagging. This is where you can review things like who can see posts you're tagged in, who can post on your timeline, and how your profile looks to others. Adjust these settings however you like. Now for the main part, locking your profile. Go back to Privacy settings, scroll down, and tap Profile Locking. Then confirm by tapping Lock Your Profile. And that's it. Your Facebook profile is now locked and only your friends can see your information. Remember, you can always change these settings later if you need to. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tips.